Hey, what's up everyone? Troy Stevens here. I want to show you a quick video on how to create pool tabs. You can use this for offline marketing, you can use it for real estate, if you have an online business or whatever you market, whatever your niche is. I'm going to show you how to generate an additional 10, 20, 30 plus more leads a day, month, a week, or whatever with pool tab marketing. It's real simple to use, real easy to set up. You can pass them down to your team. It's easy, it's duplicatable, and it's a simple like 10-step strategy I'll show you how to use. So let's get to work. That's first things first. You want to go to Microsoft Word. Once you load up Microsoft Word, you want to go to the very top. You want to go to page layout. And after page layout, you want to go right over here to where it says margin. And then right at the bottom, you'll see this little arrow. You want to click on that. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom where you'll see custom margins. You want to click on that. Boop. So then right here, left, because you got left, right, and bottom. So left, you want to start at 0.5. And then bottom, you want to start at 0.3. And then right, we'll do 0.5. And then top, you want to do 2.54. And all this does is just going to correlate, have everything looking all smooth for you. So nothing's out of line. Alright, so you want to hit OK. So then next, you want to go to Insert. After you go to Insert, you want to hit Table. Then Table, you want to hit 1 by 1 right here. And great. So you want to click on Table. Then Table, you want to do 1 by 1. It'll click that for you. Then you want to right click. Then once you right click, you want to go to Split Sales. Then next, you want to create a number of column of rows. Me personally, I like to make 10 of the pools. It makes it it's more easier to adjust on the eye. So if you have a bunch of them, so if you did like 11 or 12 or whatever, you'll have a bunch more pools, and it just makes them real thin. When you print them out, you have to cut them up and whatnot. So I prefer to go with 10 and do one column. Then you hit OK. Then next, after that, you want to click in this box again. Now you want to right click. So once you right click, you want to go to text direction. So this part you have your horizontal, horizon, and vertical and whatnot, depending on how you want your message to look and coordinate. So say we click on this one, all my messages will go up. If I was to click on this one, it'll go down. So click on this one. So then now, let's say, I just put my number in there. It's my Google Voice number. So whenever they call, now we want to extend it so it can fit more in the box. Pull it down as far as you can, but not too far. So that way it fits all in there. And so then now you can bold it. Then you can make them bigger. So that way they can see the number they're calling. I prefer to use it bold anyway, because it stands out more, pops out. And then you fit all the number in there. So you can actually do this for the rest of them too. So the next you want to do is just copy. Control C. Then you want to, so this one, it's not going to do the same. Oh, okay, cool. So they're going to do the same thing. Control V all the way through. Alright, cool. So look, I got that problem fixed up. So now after you get your row set up, you want to have a column of 10 in just one row. You just want to put your phone number or whatever message you want in there. It could be your email, it could be your website address, but you just want those phones to ring. You want people to call you.
So you in position of power at this point. So now, instead of you chasing people down or going to kiosks and setting things up, and you handing out business cards and all that junk, which it works, but you really don't want to go through all that rejection. This is more rejection proof. So now you have people calling you, so all the power is in your hands now. So now you want to copy that number, then you want to paste it in each one. So you just want to paste. We're going to fix these up, clean these up real good. Paste, 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 tab, paste, tab, paste. So then now, do the same thing again. Now we're just going to text direction. I'm going to control all, and voila, we turn them all over that way. So then now we want them to be, we want to highlight all of them. We want them to be bold. Highlight them all. We're gonna make them bold. We're gonna make them bigger. So now when they pop out more now. So now when got these up right here. Make them bold, and you make them whatever size you want to make them. So then now whenever people call you up, you know, it looks real good to the eyes, it's appeasing. And so that's how you want to set that part up. So you want to drag them down. So now you need to create space for what your header is going to say. So now you want to do auto fit. So then you want to go to view. So that's how it look. But like I said, you can go add the finishing touches. You could add your headlines right up here. Let's see. I'm gonna make your headlines, of course, big. So followed by, you want to put your, more information at the bottom. So you say something like work from home or whatever. Next. Now you don't want that to be bigger than your headline, so let's say you do this size, make 300 to 500. A week. And then you can put this thing start acting up. Alright, so you'll see how this will look. So then now at the bottom, if we scroll down, you notice it's still a little bit uneven. So next, what you want to do is highlight all of them. Then you want to right click. Then you want to distribute the columns evenly. And so then now they all make sense. They all fit in accordance. So if you want to drag it back up here, just drag it up here. And then, if you want to put pictures in there, you can edit it up with pictures, however you think possible. This is just a basic layout. Something you can do. It's real simple. You can edit it however you want, add color into it, Want to change the color on here, you can. Change the font and all that stuff, highlight it, things of that nature, you can. So this is your business, guys. So take pride in it, take ownership. No one's gonna do it for you. No one's gonna hold your hand. Just get creative. Figure out how to do certain things, because I didn't start off knowing this stuff. I had to figure things out as I went. So as I say, success doesn't happen in one night, but one night success happens. So once you guys start getting good at things, you can just go from there. Figure out one good traffic source and then move on to the next. Most marketers, they'll tell you, try Facebook, try this, try that. Find what works best for you and then go from there. But you got to keep in mind that these are still people just like you, so don't expect any unlofty expectations of people signing up overnight or things like that, or signing up real fast. It took you a while to sign up. Some people sign up fast, some people sign up slow, but it is, you just got to continue to be consistent and work, so you can just be realistic, keep a lofty mindset, just be reasonable, and then over time, you being consistent, persistent, eventually you start to see those big checks and everything starts to make sense and it starts to flow for you. And so that's my video there for you. This again is Troy signing off. This is how to create a pull tab from scratch. You can make these at home or at your local library. You can print them off. It doesn't cost much. Grab some ink, some printer, grab a printer, a laptop, and some paper, and you're all good to go. Hope you guys got a value from this video. Take care.